Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I made this beautiful headband wig. So I start by highlighting where I will start and end the weft, basically where I will place my headband on. So I'll be using 3 bundles of coily hair. Now let's begin sewing the hair onto the cap. I like using curved needle for my weft sewing. Now I will place the hair on top of the highlighted part and continue horizontally till I get to the top. Make sure it ends where the highlighted part is. Okay, from here, as you can see, I am starting the weft in the middle instead of starting from the highlighted part. It's because I want the middle to be full. So let's continue. Okay guys, it's time to sew in the hairband. The stitches of the headband is where I will be sewing on top of the weft stroke highlighted part. Watch and see. Now finish sewing in the headband. You have to cover the stitch part with the headband. Watch. Like that. Now I have to cut out the excess out of the cap. So voila, beautiful headband wig, so beautiful. I love the curls. You can also use different headband with it. So thank you all for watching my video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share and subscribe to my channel guys. I will see you all on my next video.